guys, welcome back. If you've been following the stories or the reels that I just created, then you would see that I finally caved in and upgraded my moto vlogging setup, or not really setup, but I added another camera to our arsenal. So previously, before purchasing this new camera, so on my helmet I have that records mostly my audio, since this is hardwired to the lav mic inside my helmet. It's a Hero 3 Plus. So alam ko medyo luma na yan, no? It's the Hero 3 Plus. Quality wise ng video, actually, since we are creating contents on our social media, which is usually just 1080, I'm actually pretty happy with the resolution. I'm actually shooting at around 2K and then I crop it a little bit pa para makuha yung 1080. So okay naman. No, I have no issues there. And then I just didn't bring it now because this is just going to be a quick vlog. We have the Insta360 X2. Tapos when we go around mga events, I usually have either the Osmo Pocket 1 that I bring along, or the Sony ZV-1. So the ZV-1 is actually one of my favorite cameras because it's actually a very small compact Sony camera, capable of a lot of really great videos, and has a largest 1-inch sensor. So anong ibig sabihin pag malaki yung sensor ng camera? The bigger the sensor, is the better it is for low light. At the same time, when the sensor is actually bigger, yung depth of field niya mas shallow. Alam mo yung nagba-blur ng background? So it gives you that more cinematic feel, more professional looking quality because of that depth of field. Now, the problem I have with the ZV-1 is it's actually not that compact still. Isipin mo, medyo may kalakihan pa rin siya, and it doesn't have a very nice stabilization, kasi ang ginagawa ng Sony for it to stabilize, it needs to crop the image para ma-stabilize na. Eh yung lens nitong ZV-1, remember this is the version 1, is actually not an ultra wide lens. It just has a nice wide lens. So 24mm lang yung lens niya. Hindi siya ganun ka ultra wide na pag kinrap mo okay pa rin. So ito, if you want something stabilized, what happens is the field of view gets narrow. So hindi na nga siya ganun ka wide, nagiging mas narrow pa. But the quality is actually very nice. Yun lang nga, hindi siya ganun kaganda yung stabilization. The Osmo Pocket 1, which has its built-in gimbal, remember yun yung lamang ng Osmo 1 eh, or the Osmo Pocket, yun ang lamang ng Osmo Pocket. It has its own gimbal. Hindi tulad ng mga small cameras or the cell phones, you have to actually buy a separate gimbal to use to stabilize it. This one is built into the camera. Yun lang, because since it's an older camera, this was from 2018, has a smaller sensor, it's not really optimized for low light. Eh, kadalasan ang pinagagamitan ko siya is when I go to mga trade shows, diba, yung mga car show, motorcycle show, and I have to film it inside. Yun, medyo the quality is medyo sacrificed because of the smaller sensor. So hindi siya ganun kaganda. So when I was trying to shop for a new cameras that I will be using for my vlog, I got mesmerized with the Insta360 Ace Pro. Grabe yung mga marketing mga ano nila, yung mga marketing na ginawa nila to convince people na okay, this is going to be the best camera. Ang galing, lahat ng mga YouTube videos, ang dami, as in sobrang daming YouTube videos about the Ace Pro. The Ace Pro is actually the newest action camera from Insta360. It's not a 360-degree camera, it's an action cam similar to the GoPro that you are seeing here. So it's just basically you point it and it just does that. The big advantage of that, since it's an action camera, it is rugged, it is capable of underwater, and wala kang problema in terms of kung inulan ka at nakakabit siya. But it doesn't have a gimbal, so it has a very nice stabilization. Ang problema sa mga digital stabilization is medyo makikita mo yung edges is not that clear, pero passable naman. So medyo napaisip talaga ako if I was going to get it already. That was the price range is around upper 20s. Then during one of my get together with some of my mga photographer friends, doon binring up ulit yung Osmo Pocket 3. Ken, ba't hindi ka mag Osmo Pocket 3? Sabi ko, may Pocket 1 na ako. Tapos doon na sinabi na, it's very different. It now has a 1-inch sensor. So saan ko, nga no, the Ace Pro doesn't have a 1-inch sensor. This one has a 1-inch sensor. This one is going to rival now my high-end compact camera na Sony ZV-1. Ay ko, grabe ah. It's a small pocket camera, has built-in gimbal, and has a 1-inch sensor. Ang lamang pa niya over the action camera ni Ace Pro, this one has a faster lens. Faster meaning hindi mabilis sa focus ha. When we talk about photography, when we talk about faster lens, is it allows you to gather more light. Yung lente mas maliwanag. So kaya mas maliwanag siya, kaya tinatawag na fast lens, because you can use, since there is more light, you can actually use a faster shutter speed. That's why they call it a fast lens. This is 70% brighter yung lens niya. This is an f2 eh. Yung Ace Pro is a 2.6, so that's almost 2/3 of a difference. So sabi ko, grabe, parang specs wise okay na siya. Ang hindi lang siya, of course, it's not waterproof. Pero sabi ko, do I actually need a water-resistant camera? Do I need a camera na it's designed for basically a POV? It's since wala siyang gimbal. Will it be still nice if I use it for mga trade shows? Dito lumabas yung lamang ng Osmo Pocket 3. So yun na, medyo na-convince na talaga ako that I wanted to get the Osmo Pocket 3. They're about the same price. Nasa 27 yata, 28,000 both of them. Tapos sabi ng friend ko, kunin mo yung creator combo ng Pocket 3. So what is the creator combo sa? It comes with a built-in wireless mic receiver. Tapos kasama doon sa set yung transmitter. Sabi ko, meron na akong wireless mic eh. Sabi niya, pero iba yung wala ka na isasabit doon sa camera because the receiver itself is built-in. Now, if you see sometimes my setup with the Insta360, for me to actually use my Saramonic wireless mic, I have to buy an adapter para magkaroon siya ng cold shoe, para doon ko i-mount yung receiver ng wireless. Tapos since my wireless transmitter, my wireless receiver is still not a USB-C, I still need to buy an adapter that I can use it on a USB-C. So sabi ko, okay, bilhin ko na yung creator combo because it's 9,000 more, parang 9,000 more. But what's included in the creator combo? An extended battery handle, so which means di ko na kailangan bumili ng extra battery, nandoon na. It comes with the carrying case. It comes with a wide angle adapter. It comes with a small tripod na foot. It comes with yung wireless transmitter, obviously, that can be used as a clip or as a mic, as a clip or magnet. Sabi ko, okay ah, hindi tulad nung dati kong Saramonic. It can only work as a clip, not through magnets. Ito pwedeng may magnet. So if I was to compute and buy those separately, wag mo pa muna isama yung wireless transmitter, yung case, yung extended battery, yung wide angle adapter. those three alone, if I were to buy it separately, is already 7,000 to 8,000. So lumalabas ngayon yung wireless transmitter is only around 1,000. So sulit na. Kasi if I were to buy the Pocket 3 ng walang creator combo, I would most likely still be buying an extra battery para yung battery na when I film, I don't have to worry na maubusan ng battery kasi kadalasan yung battery tulad ng Insta360 ko, I always have a spare battery when I travel. Itong GoPro, I also have extra battery kasi pag matagal yung footage hindi talaga kaya. So that's basically how I ended up getting my Osmo Pocket 3, and I am really looking forward to putting it into action and using it to create better reels, better content for my vlog. So guys, thank you very much for listening, and I hope pati kayo na nabuyo ko into wanting to get Osmo Pocket 3. I will share more detailed na review about the Osmo Pocket 3 when I have enough time to actually use it, and I will be comparing it to my Osmo Pocket 1, and pinaka okay is I will be able to compare the quality of its image when compared to the Sony ZV-1, which actually has the larger sensor. So guys, thank you, and if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. So this is the DJI Pocket 3 carry case. So ito yung kasama niya. So you have the Pocket 3. So you have the Pocket 3 here. The extended battery. This is basically just an adapter so you can actually screw the tripod or any other accessories, and at the same time you can charge even with the adapter installed. The mini tripod, the wireless mic. This is the dead cat, where you can actually plug in a wireless lavalier mic if you want to. So pwedeng nakatago to dito sa pants mo, tapos you can actually wire a wireless lavalier and put it inside your helmet. So we're not using that now. Ano pa ba kasama dito? Oh yeah, this is the wide angle adapter. Hindi ko pa natatanggal sa plastic. What else? A USB-C cable, the magnet for that wireless. That's it. So let's try to take some footage lang. So to turn it on, all you have to do is flip the screen. So let's try to take some footage. Sorry. We're set to slow-mo. Mali. We have to. So we're not going for slow-mo. Regular video lang. Let's try the spin shot. So if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is flip the screen. It shuts down. The difference between the Pocket 3 and the Pocket 1, Pocket 3, if you notice, when it closes, the lens is now facing forward, so hindi mo na siya matatamaan. Yung Pocket 1 dati, nandito yung lens nakalabas, kinakatakot. So I hope you guys also look into this. Ganda.